Hi everyone, I'm Zahara Rashida. I have created some practical database questions with answers. So today I'm here to talk about the first question of database in this tutorial. So this is the first question. The data of all students and teachers of Pinduwa Mahavidyalaya are stored in books. As a result, some data has been destroyed. Therefore, the principal of the school has decided to enter the data of all the students and teachers in the school into a computer software. The software was commissioned by AI Soft. Assume you work as a software engineer of that company, and the part of you are assigned is to create the database. To do this, create a database using the information below. So they have told us that there is a college called Pinduwa Mahavidyalaya, and all the data of teachers and students are stored in books, and some of the data has been destroyed and damaged. So the principal has planned to store the data in a computer software. So the software will be made by AI Soft. Now, as a software engineer, you have to create a database using the following informations. And the first question, create a database called SchoolDB to store teacher and student data. So they have told us to create a database called SchoolDB to store the teacher and students data. For this, I'm going to use an unofficial graphical user interface tool which is known as HeidiSQL. So this is the interface of HeidiSQL. So to create a new database, I will right click here and I will select create new, and then I will choose database. So here you can see there will be a window appearing to create a new database. And here I will enter the database name as SchoolDB. When you click OK, the database will be created. So here you can see the database is created. Now, in the second question, they have told us create a table called student to store students' data. Follow the instruction below to create this table. So they have told to create the table using the following information. And the table name will be student, and these are the column names. Now I will show you how to create a table. I will right click upon the SchoolDB database and then create new. After that I will choose table. Here I will enter the table name as student. Now I will show you how to create the columns which is given in the question. So the first column is index number. The data type will be varchar and the length is 10. By clicking the green add button, you can add a new column. You can choose varchar and the length will be 10. The second column is first name. Data type is varchar, length is 45. And the third column is the last name. And the next column is the gender. The length will be 10. Contact number, that is also the length will be 10. And the last one is the address. So the data type will be varchar and the length will be 60. Address, I will assign the length as 60. When you click save, the table will be created like this. So you can see how the table is created. Now let's go to the third question. Create a table called teacher to store teacher's data. Follow the instruction below to create this table. So here they have given another table. The table name will be teacher, and these are the columns. Now again you must right click upon the SchoolDB database. Again create new and then select table. So the table name will be teacher. And the next column is the first name. And then the gender, the length will be 10. After that, the contact number, that is also the length will be 10. The last is the email. There you should assign the length as 50. And when you click the save button, the table will be created like this. So here you can see there are two tables that had been created under the SchoolDB database. So this is how that we should answer this question. I hope you understood everything. Thank you.